Hello, my name is Rosie, and today I will be talking about connecting the theme of the book, The House on Mango Street, with a web-based technology tool called Pixton. Then I will give you a quick tutorial on how to use Pixton to create your own comic strip. This design challenge lesson plan is for 9th grade students, and it meets the reading requirement for this grade level. At the end of this lesson, the students will be able to connect the theme of the chapter to their personal experience or the character. And also, the students will successfully create a short 4 to 6 slide narrative using the technology tool Pixton. At the beginning of the lesson, I will introduce the book, The House on Mango Street by Sandra Cisneros, by showing them a YouTube video of the author discussing her novel. Then we will start by reading the first chapter together as a class. Now the classroom will be divided into groups, and each group will have the opportunity to read a paragraph out loud. Here is the link to the chapters of the book. Then we will have a brief discussion about the themes such as the American dream, poverty, and moving that are discussed in the novel. And at this time, the students will be able to share any personal experiences relating to the novel or the character. Then I will introduce Pixton. I will have the students take out their Chromebooks and create a Pixton account. Then they will have ample time to work on their comic strip and share their comic strip with a partner. Then an assessment tool will be used as an exit ticket, where the students will be able to answer questions on today's lesson plan and also share with me whether they liked using Pixton or not. This lesson plan meets the ISTE standards for educators, Designer Standard 5A, 5B, 5C, and also the Analyst Standard 7A, which is to provide alternative ways for students to demonstrate competency and reflect on their learning using technology. Now let's get started on our comic strip. Now the teacher will create a classroom account, and each student will create an avatar, and their avatar will be included in the classroom photo. Here on the top left-hand side, you click on My Comics, and here you would see previous comics that I've already created. Here's one that I've just started, so I would click Edit. Here on the top you see background, characters, focus, words, faces, and actions, and I will show you how each one of these boxes work. For example, here we have our avatar. He's at home, he is indoors, but we can change the background so that our avatar can be somewhere else. So here, our avatar can be at the beach. There's different beach settings. And then we click on character, and we can edit the character's clothing here and give him proper beach wear. Also, here we can add a character, and there's already pre-made avatars in this section that you can choose from. Or you can even go to your own class and choose a classmate to be in your comic strip. Now the focus is the background of your comic strip. For example, here you would see more of the background. You could zoom in on your characters, each individually as well. And with words, we can add dialogue between the characters, and then a speech bubble will pop up right above them. And with faces, you can bring your characters to life by adding many different changing their facial expressions. So since they're at the beach, they can be happy, but depending on what your story is about, your avatar can be sad or tired, but since they are at the beach, they will be happy. And with actions, we can have our avatar make different movements. For example, dancing, talking, running. But since our characters are going to be creating a sandcastle, this kneeling one will be more appropriate. Now these hands that you see up here, if you click on them, you can actually add an object to your avatar's hand. Since they're going to be making a sandcastle, a shovel will be appropriate. Now to continue with the comic strip, you click here on Add Panel, and a second slide will appear. Once you are done with your 4 to 6 slides, you click Done. And here, for example, is my comic strip on the house on Mango Street. And with this link that you see here, you will share that with your classmates. And once they click on this, this is the final product that they will see. I hope you've enjoyed learning how to make a comic strip using the web-based tool Pixton. Until next time.